Did you know a teenager once fooled an entire airline into thinking he was a pilot for 2 whole years? Frank Abagnale was just 19 when he walked into Pan Am wearing a fake uniform and convinced everyone he belonged there. He didn't just pretend once or twice. Frank flew for free on over 250 flights to 26 countries by using something called deadheading. That's when real pilots catch rides on other planes. He studied flight manuals like his life depended on it and created fake employee cards that looked completely real. But flying wasn't enough for Frank. He also pretended to be a doctor at a hospital in Georgia for almost a year. Then he faked being a lawyer in Louisiana after forging a Harvard law degree, all while writing fake checks worth $2.5 million. Frank escaped from planes twice while being arrested. He was finally caught in France when police around the world worked together. Today, he helps the FBI catch other con artists and created security features we still use on checks.